How to sell phone cases on Etsy. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell phone cases on Etsy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is simply open your browser and kindly go to etsy.com. And to create an account on Etsy, you could also use my affiliate links below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Etsy, it's an e-commerce platform focused on handmade, vintage, and unique goods. It's a marketplace where artisans, crafters, and independent sellers can create online shops to sell their handmade or vintage items, as well as craft supplies and tools. And after signing in on this platform, let's try to search for phone cases on the search bar. So just click the search bar right here, then just proceed by entering the word phone cases. And upon clicking enter, you will be able to see here the result below. And as you can see in here, there's a variety of design of templates or layout of phone cases that's selling on this platform Etsy. And that means phone cases is also on demand on this market. And to start selling a customized phone cases, we could also use this platform called printful.com, in which it is a print-on-demand and dropshipping company that enables individuals and businesses to create and sell custom design products online without the need to handle inventory or shipping. So all you need to do from here is to simply sign in your account. Then after that, you will be directed on this page. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is kindly go on the left side panel and just proceed by clicking the stores. And upon clicking on stores, the next thing that you need to do is to simply connect your Etsy store in here. So just click this choose platform below here. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to click connect under this Etsy. And upon doing so, you will be directed on this page. Then just scroll down until you find this connect to Etsy button. And just proceed by clicking on it, and just continue to sign in your Etsy account in here. And after connecting your Etsy store in here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply create a product. And to do that, just click this add product button right here, in which it will show you a pop-up window. And under this new product, just search for phone cases on the search bar right here. And after searching for a phone case, it will show you the result in here, in which you can choose a variety of templates that you can use. But I'm going to choose the first result, which is this one right here. So kindly click on it, in which you will be directed in here. And from here, to start designing your phone cases, you can use some of the editing tools on the left side panel. And also below here, you can simply choose the specific model of the phone case that you want to edit or customize. We have here iPhone 13, iPhone 12, iPhone 11 Pro, and many more. And you could also use these layers, uploads, text, which are some of the editing tools that you can use in designing your phone cases. You could also use this clip art, in which there's a variety of graphics design that you can choose in here. Or alternatively, you could also use these quick designs, in which it will show you other themes of background. And also you can use this premium image collection, but most of the pictures in here are not for free. And to start customizing a design for free and uploading in here as a design of our phone case, we're going to use this platform called canva.com, in which it is a popular graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including social media graphics, presentations, poster, and many more. And now to start choosing a template, we could simply click the search bar in here, in which upon clicking on it, just enter phone case. And upon clicking enter, you will be directed in this page. And from here, you will be able to see some of the templates that you can use. But most of the templates in here are paid, or you must need to have a premium account in order to use it. But to filter all of the free templates, just click this all filters button right here. And after that, on the left side panel, just scroll down until you find this free. So kindly click on it and click apply. And from here, you will be able now to see all of the filtered free version of templates that you can use. So just choose by simply clicking on it and proceed by clicking customize this template button in order to be directed on this page right here. And from here, you can simply customize this template using the drag and drop interface of this canva.com. So for now, let's say we're going to zoom in this picture or templates, and from here we can simply select any of the elements and also arrange depending our preferences. And aside from that, you could also use some of the editing tools that you can find on the left side panel. We have here design, elements, text, brand, uploads, and many more. And let's say we're going to add other elements, so kindly click elements, and on the search bar, kindly enter the elements that you want to add in here. For instance, bird. So kindly click on it, and after that, just choose the specific graphic design that you want to add in here. And upon clicking or dragging it into our Canva templates, you'll now see. And from here, you could also simply change the sizes a bit, the location a bit, depending on your preferences. And also, if you want to change the specific color of an element, just simply click on the elements and just choose the boxes that has color on it, and on the left side panel, just simply choose the color that you want to change it in. So for instance, I'm going to choose this sky blue, and as you can see, the color of it has now been changed. And let's say you're now done customizing this template, just click the share button on the top right corner, then below just scroll down and click download. And you can simply download this file as PNG or JPEG. And upon downloading this file, the next thing that we need to do is to simply wait for it to be downloaded, and after that, just go back to our printful.com and click this upload new file right here, then just simply choose the templates that we just customized on Canva. And upon uploading templates, you'll be able to see it in here, then just proceed by clicking apply button, and after that, you'll now see that the customized design has now been added as a design in our phone case. And this is basically what it looks like if it applies in our phone case. And below, you could simply choose other kind of models of phone to see what it looks like with this design. And if you're not satisfied with the design, just click the continue button below here, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. From here, you have the two options, but I'm going to choose these basic mockups. I'm going to choose these mockups, and from here, it will show you what it looks like. And now to continue, just click the continue button below to proceed. And under details, the next thing that you need to do is simply fill out such as this product title, the description of it, and other details about your phone case design. And aside from title and description below here, you could also add here a tags. So for instance, I'm going to enter here case, phone, panda, and many more. And after that, to proceed, just click the continue button below here. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose or customize the pricing of your product. We have here print full price, retail price, and also you will see here your estimated earnings. And now to proceed, just click the submit to store button below here, and you will be directed on this page. And all you need to do is to wait for it to be fully published or to be added in our Etsy store. And after it has been successfully added in our store, kindly click on it if you want to edit other details about this product. Just simply click this edit button right here to proceed, then you will be directed on this page. And from here, you can simply edit all of the details, including edit design, edit description, and even the prices of it. But if you want to edit it in Etsy, just click this edit in Etsy button right here, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, to start selling the product of phone cases, just fill out all of the required information below here, including your personal info, your payment methods, on how you want to get paid, to share your billing info, and also to fill out your shop security. And after that, you can now start selling on Etsy using the phone cases that we just customized. So that is just basically how you can sell phone cases on Etsy. Thank you.